Here I'm going to prepare the model for tomorrow's measurement session. I'm going to be in Model Die tomorrow doing some measurement of this tool. What I've got here is a door panel tool that I'm going to measure up for inspecting of the surface. But what I'm going to do, I'll rotate around just a little bit to show you how this tool looks. It's actually the ejector half of this tool. What I've got is a corner that they usually set up on in their machine shop. They'll set up as a 0 corner. And I will zoom in on that corner just to show you that they usually have a 0 in their data that shows where the 0 corner is. So that 0 corner is made up of this side here. I'm just moving my mouse around. And it's made up of this side here that's got the 0 actually on the surface. And it's actually made of the top surface here, or the exposed surface here where the parting line is. So what I'd like to do is prepare this model just before the measurement session. So by the time I get to my measurement session, I can focus on setting up my arm, setting up some leapfrog cones if I need to get into a leapfrog situation, or just focus on the measurement session. So I always ask for the model previous to the measurement session so I can do this. So I'll zoom out, and I'll hit the 7 key to put it into this alignment. What I'd like to do then is just say, okay, I know I'm going to go through this with surface points, and I'm going to blend my measure data into this CAD model by using an iterative alignment with surface points. So what I'd like to do, I will zoom in to that 0 corner again, and I know this top surface here will be considered my datum A. So I'm going to pepper that with a few surface points. So what I'll do is I'll go and name that surface by going into Review Features, and then I go from Screen, and then what I'll do is I can I'll click around here just so that I can track the data on this top surface, and I see 2 faces as choices here. There's one that looks like the bottom of the tool. There's what I'm looking for, the top of that face. Okay, that's what I like. I'll click on that with the left mouse button, and then I'm giving it a name here. Farrell calls it Surface 001. I'm just going to call it Top Surface. And I'll enter there. And it'll highlight that surface red again, and it'll allow me to pick another surface. Well, I like the longer surface to be my secondary plane here, so I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more here. I'll click on this surface here. Got a couple choices there as well. Looks like the bottom face again, and there it is, the front face. So what I'll do is I'll click on that, and then I'm going to call that surface the front surface. I'll enter that one. And now I will go to the side over here, which makes up the other side of what Model Die calls their 0 corner. I'll click on it, and of course I get 2 choices here. There's the face I'm looking for. So I'll click on him, and I'm going to call that the side surface, and enter that. Now, those 3 surfaces are highlighted in red. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right mouse click, and you can see that they have been added into my review features here. Okay, I do like that, so I'll say OK to that, and then I'm going to zoom out, or hit the E key for everything. And what I'll do first thing tomorrow, I'm just going to load up my arm into a position, and I'm going to start measuring surface points on each one of those surfaces, and then do my iterative alignment. So you can see the preparation of the CAD model is very, very simple to get into this CAD data alignment using surface points and with the iterative alignment. So go ahead and try that on your own too. Do a little bit of surface model preparation, and then open up the module that'll show how we do this measurement session and do the alignment to the CAD model.